Adiabatic humidification systems rely on the energy in the air to evaporate small water droplets and therefore are very energy efficient. In essence, energy is only required to atomize and distribute the water drops, which then evaporate, resulting in a simultaneous rise in humidity and cooling of the air. Ultrasonic humidifiers create these very small water droplets using piezoelectric transducers, or PETs, arranged in a shallow water tank. When energized, these PETs vibrate at about 1.7 megahertz and cause the water to be aerosolized into drops that are typically less than 5 microns in diameter, or about 1/10 the diameter of a human hair. Because the water drops are so small, they evaporate easily, increasing humidity quickly and precisely. Using reverse osmosis or deionized water, ultrasonic humidifiers require very little maintenance and can be utilized in ducts or air handlers or directly into the space. Using up to 93% less electricity than isothermal humidifiers, ultrasonic units provide healthy air environments that require very little maintenance. Consider DriSteam's ultrasonic humidifiers for smaller humidification loads that require fast, accurate response and quiet operation. They are ideally suited for applications that also benefit from evaporative cooling, resulting in even greater energy savings. Ultrasonic humidifiers are very simple to install and operate, and of course are backed by DriSteam's unwavering commitment to quality and support.